Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, this is not a test. Once again, this is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. Citizens of the United States and the world, I apologize for the sudden interruption, but a major global crisis is among us all at this very moment. As of 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been reports of buildings, cars, trucks, trains, airplanes, and boats being set on fire and being collapsed. In addition, people, animals, and pets have been eaten alive from their very guts and their very blood. All these actions have been committed by a band of people known as the Evil Ones. These people have superhumanistic abilities, such as running speeds up to 100 miles per hour, damage resistance, including bullets and missiles, and also in addition, super strength. And these people have been known for causing mass casualties across the world for the past week. The United States Armed Forces, as well as other armies across the world, have worked their best around the clock, 24/7, trying to fight off these people. Sadly, they failed miserably. Which means that there is no other reasonable way to take down these people from destroying civilization even further. Therefore, I am advising all residents of the United States and across the world to gather loved ones, friends, family, children, pets, and anything that makes you comfortable, and pray for final moments together. John 15:2. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does bear the fruit, he prunes so that it will be even more fruitful. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by for the final playing of our national anthem, as I don't think anyone else will be alive within the next 48 hours. This concludes my message. Remember that God loves you all. Please stand by.
Evil Gion